Hey everybody, welcome to Fire Eats and Treats. My name is Demond, and today I've got Mama Joyce here with me, and she's gonna show us how to make her classic potato salad. It's easy to make and perfect for any occasion, especially if that occasion includes fried chicken. Right, Mom?
That's what I'm talking about, fried chicken and potato salad.
Right on, right on. Well, I've done enough talking, so why don't you show us how it's done?
Well, let's go, I'm ready. All right, Mama Joyce is gonna make potato salad today, so I am peeling these potatoes. Need a little handy tool here because if you use a knife, you might cut yourself. One down. You need 4 potatoes. Potato number 2. All right, now we got 3 going on. That's Mama Joyce's recipe. It says 4 potatoes, but sometimes you have to figure out what size potatoes you want. Potato number 3. Now we got number 4. He's kind of a big one in the water. Okay, now you got to clean up your little mess as you go. So we'll just drop those in the garbage right there. Now, knife, we're gonna cut these potatoes. Slice, slice. And then you're gonna cut. Slice. And chop. Put them in there. Whoop. Right away, potato. Catch it. That was kind of fun. You have to make cooking fun for yourself. Some people just don't like cooking. Okay, potatoes done. Now you want to rinse them off.
As Mama Joyce said, rinse the potatoes under cold water to get rid of any dirt or grime. Then place the diced potatoes along with 2 eggs into a pot of water. Be sure to put the eggs on top of the potatoes. Now bring to a boil until they are fully cooked. After about 20 minutes, use a fork to check the potatoes for tenderness. If they easily break apart, your potatoes are done. Remove them from the heat, drain them, and I guarantee it's gonna be fire.
I'm gonna take these boiled eggs, I'm gonna set them to the side, just like that. I'm going to take minced onion, 1 teaspoon of minced onion. Ooh, look at that, rainfall, chip. What do I have? A 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed. We're gonna sprinkle that. Boom. Now, we have sweet relish, and I'm going to put 2, you know what, I'm gonna get new glasses. 2 teaspoons of relish. That's 1, and that's 2. Now, if you think you want more, put another one in there. That's up to you. Now, we're gonna do the mustard. French's. We want French's. We want some French's mustard. What are you laughing at?
I gotta get a heaping teaspoon.
Okay. But I'm gonna peel the eggs because they're done. You're just gonna slice, and then you're just gonna chip. Ooh, look at there, making a mess. Chip. You know, you can do it either way you want to, as long as you get these eggs into the potato salad. You know, I used to always see my mother, she'd get down to the end, she'd stick it in her mouth, but I'm not gonna do that. If y'all wasn't watching, I might have done it. Ooh. Now, we have all the ingredients there. I cannot find my spoon, so I'm going to go like this. Ta-da! I found my spoon. Now, you just want to kind of mix that together because you want to see if the mustard turns the potatoes yellow. And if the mustard doesn't turn the potatoes yellow, you may want to do another little heaping teaspoon of mustard. I think I will because it's not yellow enough. It's gonna be 2 teaspoons of mustard. Oh yeah, Hollywood français. You didn't know I knew French, did you? Sandwich spread, not mayo, not Miracle Whip, sandwich spread. That's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. Now we're gonna stir this up. A lot of times you taste things to see if they taste right for your taste buds that day. And if this just doesn't look right to you, you want it to be more yellowish, Or you want a little bit more something in it? Just go ahead and add it. Because you're the one gonna eat it. Ta-da!
Once everything is mixed together, place the potato salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour to allow all the flavors to meld together. After that, your potato salad is ready to eat.
All right, everybody, it's time to taste this potato salad. I've got Dorian here, my son, to test this with us. Dorian, why don't you give it a try and let us know what you think?
Amazing. Just like Gigi's cooking.
Oh, and the best part, it's easy to make. So hey, what are you waiting for? Why don't you give this recipe a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe so that you can be notified when future videos drop. Mom, is there anything else that you'd like to say?
It's good.